under the Municipal Mayor, Honorable Noel Villanueva, Honorable Joan Carla Bautista Vice Mayor, members of the Sangguniang Bayan, Attorney Engineer Mary Hussein Gomez, Erwin James Villanueva, Errol John Chinabuhu, Jason Lagman, John Calvin Sargent, Nicole Jane Santos, Jose Carlo Avena Saturnino, Boy Mandala, Christopher Edward C. Suarez, Sigel Luso. This Municipal Government Center of Concepcion, Tarlac stands as testament to the dedication, leadership, and unwavering commitment of the municipal officials who have worked tirelessly to bring this vision to life. Their steadfast support and collective efforts have played a pivotal role in strengthening local governance and enhancing public service for the people of Concepcion. Through their dedication, service, and this government center now stands as a symbol of progress, efficiencies, and enduring commitment to serve the people with integrity and excellence. May I request the presence of the department heads this time. Kong and Gov po, mga Congress.